everyone. So now we need to cook the egg fried rice. Now it's ready. This is the spring onions, carrots, garlic, and the onions. And then the 4 cups of rice. This is jasmine rice, Asian rice. And this one, the spring onions, the green parts of the spring onions. And the peas, green peas. And the eggs. Eggs. So I need to scramble this one later. That's it. It's hot, so I need to put an oil. This kind of oil because this is one of my favorite. Look at this one. Yeah, I'm not sponsoring this kind of oil, but this is my favorite. Oh, the oil is hot, so I need to put the onions. Just the onions. The onions. And now the garlic. Yeah, together. I will put together. And this one, we need to do it right away. Do it right away. Yeah. And that's it. Carrots. Carrots. I need to add the rice. This is the rice. The rice will add to mix the rice. Mix it. Ginisa. This is flavor seasoning mix. Flavor seasoning mix. Soy sauce. A little bit of soy sauce to make it a little bit peas. The green peas. Together, I already mixed this one, so this is the ready. I need to scramble this egg first so that I need to put in the rice. This one in the rice, so we need to scramble it one. Waiting because the rice is here. It's ready. What I'm gonna do is I need to put this one from here. Yeah, like that. Mix this one together. Just a second. Mix this one together. Mix together. So yeah, this is the one. Put the spring onions. Spread all over the spring onions. Like that. Like that. It's ready, guys. Ready now to serve. Let's check if it's nice or not. Let's check. It's nice. Let's check. Egg fried rice. My own version. Nice. This is perfect. This is eggs, vegetables, egg fried rice with vegetables. Una siya, mauna ni siya ang finished product sa egg fried rice ug ang vegetables. Mauna siya atong tilawan daw nato be. Okay, atong tilawan ug lami ba. Lami kayo, mo jud ni akong perming lutoon. Dili man ko perfect pero mao jud ni akong perming lutoon egg fried rice with vegetables. So mauna ni siya. Thank you. Salamat sa inyong pagtan-aw sa akong video. Bisag dili perfect nga video pero malipay ko nga ni-tan-aw mo. Salamat. Siyang segregate siya. Segregate mo na siya. Muna akong kanon. Yan. This is perfect egg fried rice because I put the carrots, eggs, and the green peas. And the onions, garlic, but I forget to put any because normally we can put some prawns, shrimps, or any kind of meat. You can put anything. You can put any meat for this one, but I prefer no meat, just only vegetables and the eggs. Yeah, this is the perfect. Look at the texture. Oh, it's really perfect and it's so delicious. Really delicious. Thank you. Segregate mo na siya box by box. Mo na siya. Put in the box, yeah. So for the put in the box is 3 box, yeah. And this one is put in the plates because I need to eat it one later for my dinner, yeah. next one. Yeah, it's ready. Yeah, I cannot finish this one. Maybe it lasts 1 week, but it's okay. I can put this one in the fridge. Yeah, look at the texture. Yeah, it's perfect. So yeah, thank you for watching.